In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot subscription. We'll walk through this together inside the HubSpot interface, and I'll explain what you're seeing on screen so you can follow along at your own pace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what information you need to provide to get a subscription up and running. First, log into your HubSpot account and make sure you're in the right portal. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the navigation menu at the top of the page. From that main menu, you want to locate the section labeled Commerce. This is where HubSpot keeps all of the tools related to payments, products, and recurring revenue. Go ahead and click on Commerce to open that area. When the Commerce section loads, you'll see several options related to payments and selling. Among these, look for the option called Subscriptions. This is the dedicated area where you manage all recurring billing and subscription products. Click on Subscriptions to open the Subscriptions dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of any existing subscriptions if you've created some before. There may also be filters, search options, or columns showing things like status and billing frequency. To create something new, look for a button that says Create Subscription, usually toward the top right of the page. Click on Create Subscription to start the setup process. Once you're in the subscription creation screen, HubSpot will guide you through a series of fields and on-screen prompts. Take your time here. You'll typically be asked to enter a subscription name, which should clearly describe what the subscription offers. You may also need to choose or attach a product, set the price, and define how often the customer will be billed, such as monthly or annually. Follow each on-screen prompt carefully. If you see options for start dates, billing cycles, or trial periods, make sure they match how you actually intend to charge your customers. HubSpot may also ask for details about the buyer or company, payment method, and any taxes or discounts that apply. Review every section before moving on so there are no surprises later. When you've filled in all the required details and reach the end of the prompts, double check your settings one more time, then confirm or save the subscription. After that, your new HubSpot subscription will appear in the subscriptions dashboard, ready to be used and managed as part of your ongoing billing process.